In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo bank reconciliation in QuickBooks. If you need to unreconcile a specific transaction, QuickBooks makes it possible directly from the account register. This is helpful when a transaction was marked as reconciled by mistake or when you need to correct a bank reconciliation issue before moving forward. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks and going to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. This is where many account-level tools and bookkeeping options are located, including the area we need for this task. From the Settings menu, click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the section where all of your financial accounts are listed, such as bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers. Since reconciliation is tied to a specific account, this is the place where you'll need to begin. Next, find the account that contains the transaction you want to unreconcile. Once you've located the correct account, click View Register. The register gives you a transaction-by-transaction view of activity in that account, which makes it easier to review the reconciliation status of individual entries. Now locate the exact transaction you need to unreconcile. Take your time here and make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if there are multiple transactions with similar dates or amounts. Accuracy matters because changing the reconciliation status of the wrong transaction can affect your records. Once you've found the transaction, look for the checkmark column in the register. If the transaction has already been reconciled, you'll see an R in that field. That R indicates the transaction was included in a completed reconciliation. To undo the reconciliation for that transaction, click the R repeatedly until the box becomes blank. QuickBooks cycles through different statuses when you click that field, so keep clicking until nothing appears in the box. A blank box means the transaction is no longer marked as reconciled. After that, click Save to apply the change, and then close the register. That completes the process. As a final tip, keep in mind that unreconciling a transaction can affect your previous reconciliation reports and account balances. It's a good idea to double-check your records afterwards so everything still matches your bank statement. If you're only correcting one item, this method is a quick and practical way to do it inside QuickBooks. And that's how to undo bank reconciliation in QuickBooks.